friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Blessing here. Today is Saturday after I want to make porridge, plantain for my kids, and they don't want me to put fish because they don't like bone. So they want me to do it as the way their grandmother when she was here. That is our natural traditional porridge plantain. That is what I'm going to do now. Here you can see I'm peeling them now. Now I have finished peeling it, and then I put water now on the gas for cooking. I will now add my pepper with onions. I'm just doing traditional cooking since I don't want fish. This is crayfish here. I'll now add crayfish. This is traditional cooking of porridge plantain in my place. The one that grandmother used to cook. Because my son picked bone entered his throat. Since that time he's afraid of fish, whether dry or fresh. So let's start cooking. Now I have to put seasoning, Maggi star. Of Italy. And I add a little salt because it's done. Then my palm oil. Then it's much. As you can see, the plantain is almost done. It's time for it to mix and boil for a few minutes. This is traditional porridge. So since my children don't want fish, so that's why I decided to do it the way we cook it. Our mothers cook it at home those days. They used to put a small dry fish that have bone. But you know, Africa now we are champion. We can pick it with our tongue. These children there, they're always afraid of bone. So in a few minutes to be getting ready. Just look at that. The porridge is ready. It is done. The porridge is done. So now off the gas. This is the finishing point of the porridge. It's ready for eating. Come and join us and eat. Have a good appetite. This is the fresh one now. Like what I do, subscribe. Like, hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload the video, you will get the new video. Subscribing is free. They are not charging you money. See you in my next video. Bye.